Umentri ketenat kakoi kakia uba elhek menta kasngi kakat arterik ujemang haga jinglit banjurep ia ka Jaka Sumar North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences haringkat padu Director of Health Services MI Dr. Amanwar kum kadak man aimin CMI ki Dr. Bakinos ki bai kun persya yuknyang jingpang COVID-19 ulayo aru bani mer jingmut halor ki jing'e katiga Jaka Sumar habakran cekilat pathai kubor uba hek ulong katkum ga jinglum jingtep kabau yo na Nigrims kalong pakane ka Jaka Sumar kalong kabla penkre bat kimdon ka jingtuna hakaliang ki jingthia oxygen ki ventilators bat ki wei nakaliang u director ka Nigrims Dr. P Bhattacharya ula penpau wala ka Jaka Sumar ka bianglut alor ki jingnon kam kumla pentep do menteri sarkar ka jilla hendrei kaiting kho jinge ba namar duna ye ki brio ki bla shahikai bat ki betbet kumno ban sumar ye ki nongpang.
You see these stalls, they are on contract, they are running over here, but some of them are having to be shut down because the people are not coming. But then the patients' relations, they have to buy the food. Okay.
We are also very happy with their preparedness. They have already their preparation. We have seen that they have done very well. They have kept the isolation ward separately. They have kept the waiting ward separately. They have kept the other ICU separately. All has been made arrangement. We are very, very happy. Then also they said that there is no problem with the oxygen. That there has no problem with the beds, no problem with the ventilator at present. Everything it be manageable. So this is that what we have been taking the review from the state government, also with the Nagrim Hospital, for the best services to the people, particularly to not deny what kind of services, if suppose for the cancer patient, whether they need the radiation, they need any chemotherapy, it cannot be denied. They all have been given arrangement, and also for the dialysis patient, that also been discussed. Everything has been taken care for all kind of patients, whether it is positive or the normal patients here.
So the state government, are they always willing to help?
Always they are the state government. That's why we have come. That's why we have come here to see that they get all kind of cooperation from the state government. Shortage of manpower along Gumne Kni don't come but yo ya ka order naga government of India. Kidon ke limitation yuki kidon gitar hendrei ki manpower ke dibenyo ka order na government India as said by the our respected director of Nigrims.
The challenges in providing expanded ICU care lies not in the equipment. Equipment we have more than 77 ventilators. Some more maybe we will be getting. It is the people running them. Once you put a person in the ICU, we had one situation when, while in the rush of people being admitted and treated, one patient, we forgot to order meal for her. The wonderful thing is that lady was not angry with me. In the morning I have personally gone to see, she says, "Doctor, I think they forgot to give my meal." We are grateful for the nature of response. They have told me, but it was a great shame. But you know, if we are working off the hook, we are hitting the deck running, small slip-ups, and we are intending that they should be kept to the minimum, but we have immediately arranged everything.